The Logitech MX Keys Mini, Logitech K400 Plus, Logitech Pebble Keys, two K380s, Keychron K3 V2 and Aula F75 are the most popular mini keyboard of 2026, but which is the absolute best? We are going to compare them to each other and score them in various categories, with some categories holding more weight than others. In the end, we'll decide which is the best one based on the final score, and we will declare the absolute winner. Let's dive in. First, we are going to compare them on the key switch type category, which has a multiplier of 2x. The Logitech MX Keys Mini is a low-profile keyboard with scissor switches, offering a quick and responsive typing experience that feels light and comfortable for office use, but it lacks the tactile feedback of mechanical switches, and some users report issues with the proximity sensor for backlighting, making it less reliable in darker environments. It scores 8.2 out of 10 for key switch type, especially considering its build and wireless flexibility. The Logitech K400 Plus uses membrane switches, which allow for a lot of key wiggle and wobble, making the typing experience feel mushy and less precise compared to scissor or mechanical switches, and it offers very limited customization for key remapping, which can be frustrating for users seeking more control. It gets a 6.5 out of 10 for key switch type, especially when compared to more premium options. The Logitech Pebble Keys 2 K380s has moderate weight switches with a short pre-travel distance, giving a quick and responsive feel, but it can feel abrupt for heavier typists, and the spacebar is noticeably louder than the rest of the keys, which may be distracting in quiet environments. It rates 7 out of 10 for key switch type, considering its value and portability. The Keychron K3 V2 stands out with its choice of low-profile mechanical or optical switches, providing a tactile and snappy typing experience, and its hot-swappable sockets let you customize the switch feel. But the compact design can make the keys feel a bit cramped, and the optical switches might be sensitive for some users. It earns a 9 out of 10 for key switch type, thanks to its versatility and build quality. Finally, the Aula F75 features factory-lubricated mechanical switches with a precision-engineered PCB, delivering a smooth, consistent, and satisfying keystroke, and its full-key hot swap functionality lets you tailor the typing experience to your preference, making it the most customizable and reliable option in this group. It scores 9.5 out of 10 for key switch type, especially considering its high value for money and premium features. The Aula F75 takes the top spot in key switch type with a score of 9.5 out of 10, thanks to its smooth, customizable mechanical switches and exceptional build quality for the price. Next, we are going to compare them on the compactness and portability category, which has a multiplier of 1.5x. The Logitech MX Keys Mini is a sleek, low-profile keyboard that fits easily onto small desks and travel bags, but it's a bit bulkier than some ultra-portable options and won't slide into every tech pouch, making it less ideal for those who need the absolute smallest footprint, 8.5 out of 10. The Logitech K400 Plus stands out with its slim design and integrated touchpad, saving space by eliminating the need for a separate mouse, and its lightweight build makes it easy to carry around, though the touchpad can feel a bit cramped for extended use, 7 out of 10. The Logitech Pebble Keys 2 K380s is incredibly portable, with a minimalist look and a super thin profile, making it perfect for small workspaces and travel, but the round keys and compact layout may take some getting used to, and it lacks dedicated arrow keys, 9 out of 10. The Keychron K3 V2 is a compact and lightweight mechanical keyboard that's easy to carry and fits into most backpacks, offering a low-profile design that's thinner than many mechanical options, though it's not quite as slim as some non-mechanical keyboards, and the lack of a travel pouch is a minor downside, 8 out of 10. The Aula F75 is a sturdy 75% keyboard that feels solid and well-built, with a compact layout that saves desk space and is easy to move around, but its weight is slightly higher than other options, and the build, while robust, is a bit bulkier than ultra-portable choices, 9.5 out of 10. The Aula F75 stands out as the best in this category with a score of 9.5 out of 10, thanks to its compact size, solid build, and balance between portability and usability, making it the top pick for those who want a reliable and easy-to-move keyboard without sacrificing too much on comfort or features. Next, we are going to compare them on the connectivity options category, which has a multiplier of 1.5x. The Logitech MX Keys Mini is a compact board that lets you connect up to 3 devices at once using Bluetooth, and it also works with Logitech's Logibolt USB receiver, though you have to buy that receiver separately. It doesn't support the older Logitech unifying receiver, so if you're already using Logitech peripherals, you'll need both receivers plugged in. Switching between devices is smooth and takes just a couple of seconds, but the lack of unifying support is a real pain if you want to keep your setup tidy. It scores 8.5 out of 10 for connectivity. The Logitech K400 Plus relies on a 2.4 GHz wireless connection with a plug-and-play USB receiver, which is super reliable and easy to set up. You can use it with gaming consoles, but the touchpad isn't customizable. The wireless range is about 10 meters, and it's compatible with older Windows versions, which is a big plus if you're not always on the latest OS. The only downside is that it only connects to one device at a time, so if you're switching between multiple screens, it's not ideal. It gets a solid 7 out of 10 for connectivity. The Logitech Pebble Keys 2K380s offers two ways to connect: Bluetooth or the Logitech Bolt receiver. If you get the combo, the Bolt receiver is included, but otherwise, it's an extra cost. You can connect up to 3 devices and switch between them quickly with the buttons on the top left. Bluetooth works with almost every device, including iOS and Android, but the response time is slightly slower compared to the Bolt. It's very versatile and great for multitaskers, but the slower Bluetooth can be noticeable. It earns a 9 out of 10 for connectivity. The Keychron K3 V2 is all about Bluetooth. Up to 3 devices can be paired at once, and you can also use it wired with the included USB-C cable. The Bluetooth connection is stable and works with all major operating systems, but there's no 2.4 GHz wireless or dongle option, which means you're stuck with Bluetooth unless you plug it in. The wired mode is handy, but it's not as flexible as tri-mode keyboards. It scores 8 out of 10 for connectivity. Finally, the Owler F75 stands out with 3 connection options: USB-C wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth. You can switch between them with a physical switch on the back, and the 2.4 GHz wireless is incredibly fast and responsive, great for gaming or anything that needs low latency. The USB dongle is stored on the keyboard itself, which is super convenient. All 3 modes work well, and it's easy to switch between devices on the fly. It's the most flexible and future-proof option here, earning a 9.5 out of 10 for connectivity. The Owler F75 wins this category with a score of 9.5 out of 10 because it offers the most connection modes and lets you switch between them effortlessly, making it the most versatile choice for anyone who needs flexibility in their setup. Next, we are going to compare them on the build quality and design category, which has a multiplier of 2x. The Logitech MX Keys Mini is a compact, low-profile keyboard that feels very well built with a high-quality plastic chassis that looks like metal and gives a solid, durable impression, but its heavier weight and high price mean it's not the most value-focused option for everyone, especially when you consider its lack of mechanical switches and macro-programmable keys, which some users may miss. This one gets 8.8 out of 10 for build quality and design. The Logitech K400 Plus is a thin, lightweight keyboard that combines a touchpad with the keys, making it convenient for couch or travel use, but its plastic build feels cheap, flexes easily under pressure, and the overall design is not as sturdy or premium as others in this list, making it a less reliable long-term option. This one gets 6.5 out of 10 for build quality and design. The Logitech Pebble Keys 2K380s is a lightweight, travel-friendly keyboard with decent build quality and stable keys, but its circular keycaps and cramped layout may take some getting used to, and the recycled plastic construction feels a bit less premium, especially when compared to more expensive options, though it's still reliable for everyday use. This one gets 7.2 out of 10 for build quality and design. The Keychron K3 V2 is a remarkably well-built keyboard with an aluminum chassis and a reinforced body structure that feels sturdy and durable, even if there's a bit of flex, and its low-profile mechanical switches and double-shot keycaps give it a premium touch. But the price is higher, and the build quality is more suited for users who want something that feels solid and long-lasting. This one gets 9 out of 10 for build quality and design. Finally, the Owler F75 is a budget-friendly keyboard with a surprisingly good build quality for its price, featuring a compact layout, a screen, and a knob, all housed in a well-constructed ABS plastic case that feels more premium than you'd expect. But it does have some flex and lacks the heft of higher-end models, making it a solid value pick for those who want a lot of features without spending much. This one gets 8.5 out of 10 for build quality and design. The Keychron K3 V2 wins this category with a score of 9 out of 10 thanks to its aluminum build, reinforced structure, and overall durability that stands out even among more expensive options, making it the best choice if you want something that feels premium and lasts a long time. Finally, we are going to compare them on the value for money category, which has a multiplier of 3x. The Logitech MX Keys Mini is a premium compact keyboard with a solid build, responsive scissor switches, and great battery life, but it comes with a higher price tag and lacks macro-programmable keys, making it less flexible for advanced users and not the best bang for your buck in this category, 7.5 out of 10. The Logitech K400 Plus is an affordable wireless keyboard with a built-in touchpad, making it perfect for media center setups and casual use, but its keys are more closely spaced, and the touchpad is smaller than some alternatives, so it's good for basic needs but not ideal for intensive typing, 6.5 out of 10. The Logitech Pebble Keys 2 K380s is a lightweight, versatile keyboard that's easy to carry and connects to multiple devices, offering a comfortable typing feel at a low price, but it lacks backlighting and complex macro support, so it's great for casual users but not for those needing advanced features, 8 out of 10. The Keychron K3 V2 is a feature-rich, compact wireless keyboard with full RGB backlighting, hot-swappable keys, and solid build quality, making it a standout for both gaming and typing. But its software support is limited and the keys can show oil shine over time, so it's a strong contender but not flawless. 8.8 out of 10. The Owler F75 is a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that delivers a smooth, responsive typing experience, wired or wireless, with a volume knob and reliable performance, punching above its price class and offering more features than most keyboards in its range, making it the best value for money in this lineup. 9.3 out of 10. The Owler F75 wins this category with a score of 9.3 out of 10, thanks to its exceptional feature set, reliable wireless connectivity, and smooth mechanical switches that far exceed what you'd expect for its price. The results of our comparison show each product shines in its own way, but the Owler F75 stands out with its score of 92.4. After testing it extensively, I found that its mechanical switches give a fantastic typing experience, and its versatility in connectivity options makes switching between devices a breeze. The value it offers for such an affordable price is unmatched, truly making it a hit for budget-conscious buyers who still demand quality and performance in a compact layout. On the other hand, the Keychron K3 V2 comes in as a strong runner-up with a score of 86.4, boasting solid build quality and excellent functionality with its mechanical switches, appealing particularly to those who prioritize durability and flexibility. The Logitech Pebble Keys 2 K380s, with its score of 79.4, offers exceptional portability and affordability, making it a good choice for light users on the move. Meanwhile, the Logitech MX Keys Mini scored 82, delivering a premium typing feel, but at a higher price point, while the Logitech K400 Plus with 66.5 remains a basic yet reliable option primarily for media center setups. Each product has its strengths, but depending on your needs, these choices offer something for everyone.